The next component on the list is the Newsfeed Manager. Newsfeed managers pull news in from other websites. In other words, it grabs the RSS feeds from other sites and pulls them into your own into a listing that you can put on your site. It's a great way to keep your site looking fresh without actually having to keep up with new content all the time. So for instance, this one, Software Freedom Law Center News, the alias is there, Joomla put that in. Is it published? What category is it in? And what's the actual link to their news items? How many articles are we grabbing? How long is the cache? That's in number of minutes, so 3,600 minutes. And what order is it? So if we go over to the front page and look at our news feeds to see what those look like, here is the Software Freedom Law News RSS feed on our site. And this is current, even though this is my local machine. It's not on a website anywhere, but this is the actual news from the Freedom Law Center because it's an RSS feed that the site goes out and gets. Let's take a look at another one. Joomla Announcements. Over here in our administrator, we can look at Joomla Announcements. Here's the feed for it, feeds.joomla.org/Joomla Announcements. Official news, same thing we've seen there. And our news feed now gives us up-to-date contemporary information on our website. A couple of other things about Newsfeed Manager. This is a pretty simple one to work. The parameters are not very difficult. Table headings, columns, articles, link column. Again, you can play with these. Is there a feed image, feed description, item description, and word count? And categories work the same way. You set up your categories, and then each of the categories you set up the feeds by grabbing the RSS feed from the site that you want to display. News feeds, again, a great way to get information on your site without having to do a lot of work.